Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you how to put an easy digital gauge into your car. First thing you're going to need when you do this build is you're just going to need one of these little Bluetooth OBD2 adapters. These things are pretty cheap on Amazon. They just plug right into your OBD2 converter and they put off a Bluetooth signal that your phone can pick up. Right here you're going to need an old smartphone. You're going to need to install a couple apps onto this, and I'll show you what apps we're going to install into this in a bit. And the third thing you're going to need is just this little phone holder. It just has a little suction cup and you can just stick it anywhere pretty much. So yeah, this was like 10 bucks. Alright guys, on your smartphone you're going to need two apps. The first app is called Real Dash. What this app does is it takes the signal from your OBD2 and it gives you a digital gauge set that you can use with it. As you can see, there it is. It's not doing anything because it's not hooked up. The second app you're going to need is called MacroDroid. This is only for Android, and basically what this does is just let me set up my phone so that when power goes to the charger, the phone will instantly turn on and instantly run the Real Dash program. This is completely optional, but it is pretty convenient. Next thing you're going to need to find is your OBD2 slot, and you want to take your OBD2 Bluetooth adapter and just plug it in, just like that. Now all we gotta do now is find where we're going to mount it. I'm just going to be mounting mine right there in the center of the dash. It's extremely simple. It's just a little suction cup and it sticks the phone right there. Now that you got your phone mounted, the last thing you're going to need is just a power source to power your phone. Now right here I have this standard Android charger, and it's coming out of the back of my stereo because there was a USB slot on the back of that. Basically what this will do, it will only charge the phone when my car is on and it doesn't run down my battery, and it also will turn on the phone when I start the car. Alright, so let's go ahead and start up this car. As you can see, the phone turns on and we are running our gauges. So what's really cool about this Real Dash program is that all these gauges are customizable. You can customize their color or their style or anything, and they even have some pre-made styles right here that you can either pay for or get for free. And you see on through there. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. This can display your temperature gauge, your RPMs, your oil pressure, your voltage, pretty much anything you would need. This app can do it right here. As you can see right here, I have a shift light set up. So that's pretty cool. That's it for today's video. It was super short, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to have more content coming next week, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions on this setup, I didn't go through it in too much detail. I'm just giving you the basic idea. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer you. We're going to have more content coming to you next week, hopefully some more interesting stuff. Hopefully you guys stay tuned for that. Alright guys, that's all I have for today, and thanks for watching.